Hey Jennifer, how you doing? Okay, so I was reading this. It sounds like you're a little concerned about the layout, and that's okay. Let me describe these changes, and let me just give you an idea of why it's a better layout like this. Okay, so in your original layout, you've got the logo up here. You got the headline right here. And the main portion, the bulk of the image, the visual weight is right here. So we're going to look at the headline first because the viewer typically enters any composition in the upper left-hand side, right? And you're also guiding them to the headline with the emphasis on that type. What happens from there is, done with the headline, the eye automatically goes to this very weighty area. Then it pops back right up here. This is forcing it. The logo is forcing the eye to jump back right up there. So basically, in essence, what the eye is doing, follow my cursor. The eye comes in here, jumps up here, okay, then jumps down to this area, all right, then comes here and exits the page right here. Well, in the new layout, what happens is you don't have that kind of magnetic logo, that magnet effect of the logo up here pulling the eye back up. Okay, so in this layout, the viewer comes in, reads this, stops at this visual area, comes down here to the promotion, absorbs the promotion, then comes down to the contact information, and the logo is the last thing they see before they exit the page, which reinforces branding. Now, if it feels a little visually cluttered at the bottom of the page, and I agree it does, and I think the reason for that is the weight of this purple background. A couple of things we can do to circumvent that. The first thing I would recommend is go full opacity on your headline. Okay, it looks like this is full opacity, but that's not, and I don't think that is either. I would go full opacity on the headline. At that point, you can do one of two things, and I think that in terms of balance, this might be the best way to go. Take your Stay 4 More Nights and go ahead and place it right over here as a kind of a subhead or right up here. Don't worry about obstructing the image. There's enough of the image visible that the viewer understands what you're saying visually. Okay, so Eat, Stay, Love, Stay 4 More Nights, receive a $250 credit. Then take the flower and place it above the contact information right there. And I think that's going to alleviate some of the visual clutter that you're referring to, caused by the weight of this real heavy graded purple background on the promotional area. So try that. And listen, if you like your original composition, stick with it. I mean, this is your work, right? So if you feel like it's more effective, then by all means do. Don't worry about, I'm not going to, look at this unfavorably because you decided to make a decision on your own. That's perfectly fine. That's part of design, right? So, but what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get this page composition and this page mechanics down, so that this is a good solid piece in your portfolio, following elements and principles, following good page harmony, following good page structure, and following good page hierarchy. Okay, so at any rate, those would be my recommendations. So good job on your adjustments, but those would be my recommendations moving forward. Okay, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to let me know. Nice work. Thank you very much.